You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, we're going to graph linear equations, but this is part 2 because we're starting from a standard equation. What? Let me tell you what I'm talking about. For example, we've talked about this before. If we want this to say y equals, what do we have to do? We have to minus 15x from both sides, right? And we get 3y equals negative 15x plus 21. Then we're going to divide by 3 every term, right? And we get y equals negative 5x plus 7. With that in mind, what if we have this situation? Graph 15x plus 3y greater than 21. We're going to minus 15x from both sides. And we get 3y is greater than negative 15x plus 21. And we divide by 3. And we get y is greater than negative 5x plus 7. Now we're going to graph it. What's the intercept? The intercept is plus 7. So we put a dot on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. What's the slope? Negative 5 means we go down 5 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, right? And now Delta Math puts in a solid line for you. But remember, you click the change line button, and it changes the line to a dashed line because y is greater than, but not equal to. So because it's greater than, do you shade above or below the line? You shade above the line. And there's your graph. Okay. 20x minus 8y greater than 40. We're going to minus 20x from both sides. We get negative 8y greater than negative 20x plus 40. We divide by negative 8. And we get, now wait a minute. Warning. When you divide by a negative, this guy flips around, right? It'll flip from this to that, okay? When you divide by a negative. So you get y, 20 over 8 reduces to 5 over 2. Y is less than 5 over 2x. 40 over negative 8 is minus 5. So the intercept is negative 5. What's the slope? The slope is up 5 over 2. Okay, from here we go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2. And it's less than, right? First of all, we click change line to make it a dashed line. And then we shade below. Click the change shade button and click until it shades below. And there's your graph. 8x plus 12y less than or equal to negative 96 minus 8x from both sides. You get 12y is less than or equal to negative 8x minus 96. Divide by 12. 8 over 12 reduces to 2 over 3. You get y is less than or equal to negative 2/3 x minus 8. The intercept is negative 8. From there, you go down 2 over 3, right? You're going to go down 2 over 3. Now, you don't need to click change line because it's less than or equal to, which means it's a solid line if it's equal to. And you shade below. And there's your graph. 6x minus 15y less than or equal to negative 75 minus 6x from both sides. You get negative 15y less than or equal to negative 6x minus 75. Divide negative 15. Wah, wah, wah. When you divide by a negative, this guy changes direction to that, right? So y is greater than 2/5 x plus 5. Intercept is plus 5. From there you go up 2 over 5. And because it's greater than, you're going to shade above the line. You've been watching the Weiss channel.